Hi there, it's me, Matty, and today we've got over 20 inches of snow here. It's been a blizzard this morning, so we're going to play in it for a little bit.
And what's so special about this blizzard, Matty?
It's over 20 inches!
And when did it come?
It just came yesterday.
The day after?
Christmas.
So now we got a white Christmas?
Yep.
And did you have a nice Christmas?
Yeah.
And now you got snow too. See, you got everything you wished from Santa. Now look at the house. Take a walk over to the house. Wow, a lot of snow. What year are we in, Matty? Matt, what year?
2010.
What date?
June 27.
And then the storm was on 2/20. Face the camera. Come, navigate.
What do you mean navigate?
Walk around.
Okay.
You want to go in the backyard?
Okay. Backyard?
Whoa, deep.
Yeah.
I'm walking backwards and I can't do it.
And I'm walking forward.
Look at the car.
It's buried.
Buried in snow.
Yeah.
The block, nobody's on the block.
Nobody.
A lot of snow. Yeah, you can walk here now, right?
Yeah. This is our street. And it's covered in snow.
The neighbors.
Yeah.
Come. How do you like the snow?
It's great.
Yeah. You have fun today.
Yeah.
Daddy's got to shovel all of this before
Yeah.
Mommy comes home.
Yeah. I'll help.
Mm.
Of course I will, because I'm your assistant.
Go here. Yeah, walk this way then. Let's go in the backyard.
Okay. Watch out for cars, though.
I remember Mommy did a video of you walking in the backyard. The last time we had a snowstorm, do you remember that?
Yeah. Blizzard Wizard. Honda. A Honda lawnmower.
Yeah, we could use that, right?
And a Blizzard Wizard. Is that a kind of salt?
It's gonna take me hours to dig out my car.
Yeah. Probably.
Yeah, go
Over a day.
go to the backyard. Don't run. Go to the back.
Good idea. Did you see my Legos?
Yeah, where are they?
My Duplos.
Oh.
They're so old and
Here, go.
they're covered in snow. Ow!
Oh, be careful.
Oh, I don't want to mess all this snow up. Ouch. Ouch.
If you're too cold, you want to go inside?
Yeah. If I'm freezing like an ice pop.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my. What a cold day.
You enjoying the snow?
Yeah.
Wow. It's hard to walk backwards.
Yeah.
I'm like walking in 2 feet of snow.
I don't either. Way too close to me. Oh no! My foot is stuck!
Wow, Matty.
It's still on.
Let's walk in the street. It's a little easier.
Oh. Oh.
Then you can go back in the house.
It's much warmer in the street. Oh, oh, ow, oh, oh, ow.
Windy.
My legs are gonna rip off. My legs are gonna rip off.
Wow, look at the wind blow all the snow.
Yeah. Oh no. My legs are gonna rip off of me soon.
Oh.
They're gonna rip off of me any minute. So freezing.
Much easier to walk in the street.
Yes, way too much easier. Absolutely. Absolutely much easier.
You okay?
I have a lot of phlegm. We might have to go
You need
back.
some throat drops.
Yeah, we might have to go inside a little earlier today.
Yeah.
We might have to go inside a little earlier this semester. Watch out, car.
You're right. Be careful.
Uh-oh.
Go this way.
This way. I'm making tracks like a car.
Everybody stayed inside.
I wish I stayed inside so I could have some hot cocoa. Like I
Let's
used
go
to.
home and have hot cocoa then.
Well, yeah, I want to have hot cocoa like I used to when
Alright,
I
let's
was
go.
a kid.
Ask Grandma.
Yeah, like I did when I was a kid.
You are a kid.
I know. I just like to pretend.
Go to your right.
This is much shallower than Gosh. Oh my God. I'm so shivering. I don't know if I can survive in this weather.
That's why we go back home. I'll try to shovel as much as I can.
Yes, shovel as much as we can. We'll take some videos of us shovel. So when it goes up to part 10 minutes, then end the video. How many minutes so far? Huh?
Huh?
How many? Ouch. Ouch. How many minutes? What did you say?
10 minutes we did.
Okay. End the video.
Go to the house.
walking it.
Until we get to the house.
Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm warming up again. Wizard again. Honda.
Back to the house. Back to my car buried in the snow.
Anything similar about Toyota and Honda? Their cars are pretty similar. One is
Say bye for now.
bye for now. See you later. Start part 2 any minute when we switch. Bye.
Merry Christmas.